I'm editing today's video, and I just realized that my dumbass recorded this shit in a time lapse. So all the beginning footage of this is pretty much scrap because yeah, I can't use it. It doesn't show anything. With that being said, let me just run you guys what this video is about. So I basically told Batman I have something for the Integra. I got a new part. He started looking around. Obviously, I didn't get no new part. So by the title of the thumbnail, you guys saw that yeah, Batman got his Pandem kit. So I basically told him like, oh, it's behind the oven. So he went behind the oven and he's like, no way, it's mine. Batman's little expression. So he's like, no way, let's open it. So we dragged it outside, to the shop. We dragged it to the shop. Well, it was already in the shop, but we dragged it. Anyways, he opened it and we started unboxing it, and that's where this next footage takes place. So, yeah, just to let everybody know, my bad. I scrapped all the fucking film or all the footage because my dumbass, like I said, I didn't realize when the camera was set to time lapse, so all that footage was useless. But anyways, yeah, I guess let's pick up the next clip. Yeah, dude, I was scared. I was like, damn, everything we ordered in this box?
I know.
Huh. Seems a little small, but all right. But hey, I guess they packaged it in. Is that your hardware?
Yeah, that's right.
Freaking self-tappers or what? The bolts.
That's pretty good.
You should wrap it in and put it like under your tree.
I know. Santa Claus is real.
My mom lied. She said Santa Claus was fake. And they really packaged this shit out of that, huh?
Damn. Let's see. Goes like that.
And that is pretty big. Like, it's not that big, but for that little car, it's big,
And with those shits on the side. That's pretty sick.
Oh, it does have those things on the side, huh?
Yeah. I just want to know where the $4,000 sticker is.
I don't know. Do they send one? Oh, side skirts. Maybe in here. I don't know what this is. Yeah, that's a fender. What is this? What is this? Oh, those are little, dude. But then again, it is a little car.
That piece?
Oh, that's true. How that goes down? Yeah, you're right. You're right, Felicia.
Well, for $4,000, you didn't get one sticker?
You got one?
No.
I think there might be one somewhere, dude, but it's probably like in between others.
Yeah.
Think about it. I paid $1,200 for side skirts and a rear lip, and I didn't get no sticker.
That's true.
You know what this might be? Might be the rear bumper stuff, huh?
Yeah, the fenders are together. There's two of them.
I think that's one, no? Because they won't be able to face the same way.
Yeah, because that's the rear. Those are the two rears, the two fronts. The bumper, the side skirts.
The wing and the splitter.
And then I think
I think
those are the top things, no? This might be the
These are those canard things, no? Like the ones that go like on the splitter to the bumper.
It's pretty sick.
You know what I would do if I was you? Before we install this, get a fucking template made. Just in case you destroy it. You know?
Like make it out of that shit.
Yeah. And just have it there.
That's actually really smart.
Because if you ever destroy it,
Yeah, this is pretty sick.
well.
And I was gonna bring the EG too. Because that shit didn't have gas.
And I was gonna tell you, dude. I was gonna tell you, but I didn't know how to make you bring it without kind of letting you know. Because I figured if I tell you to bring it, I could be like, hey, we'll bring it. Let's make a quick video, like, you know.
Yeah.
But then when I would tell you, like, hey, there's something here for the Integra, you're gonna be like, huh, EG Integra, you know. Yeah, with the wheels. Yeah. Yeah, dude, that shit's been fucking sitting. And I was tempted to open it just to make, because I was curious. I was like, is everything here? That was what my concern was.
Yeah.
I'm like, and when by the time this fucker comes, they're gonna be like, well, you received it like 2 weeks ago. You're barely letting us know. So.
I know, and I was telling Angel too. I was like, dude, it's weird because I only said the beginning of December. Now he's saying the end of December.
Yeah, this shit got here. How long has it been? I think right after Thanksgiving, dude. That's when it got here, like that Monday after Thanksgiving. Monday or Tuesday. And I was in here and they called me and they're like, is somebody home? And I'm like, fuck. I'm like, do I need a signature? They're like, if you authorize for us to leave it and it's somewhere safe, we can just drop it off. And I was like, yeah, just put it in the garage. So when I got here and I just saw that little box, I'm like, there is no way everything we ordered is there. But then again, did I forget it's a little ass car, so, you know.
Dude, that wing is fucking sick.
That's why I told you, dude, it's gonna be a long ass 8 months. Long as 8 months, bruh. But
that bumper and the wing are my favorite, and that fucking splitter.
so just wait till it's on. It's gonna transform that little car. You're gonna be like 9 gen what?
I know.
No regrets.
Hell no.
Dude, you should put a sticker on the car on the back window that says no regrets. You know what's funny? We clown on the 9 gen, dude, but those are probably my highest viewed videos.
I know.
And I keep getting people commenting on them like, where'd you get that? I just had a kid ask me where we got the diffuser.
Or the
Yeah, the diffuser today. And I'm like, bro, you don't want the diffuser. It's a piece of trash. But
it's cool how everything says ready and shit.
yeah, which I never understood, dude, because it's Pandem Rocket Bunny, but it's bike ready. So I don't know.
Yeah, these are the rear bumper extensions.
Yeah, it's kind of cool that they put it in English too, though. You want to shut up, pop? Well, now that the cat's out the bag, I can go finish doing my hair.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn, I gotta go out there because if not, Batman's gonna see the box. He's gonna linger around the shop. What the fuck's back here? Alright, I'll go finish my hair and you can go watch your Cowboys game.
Perfect.
So, now that your Christmas present is open
I know.
4 days early.
Right?
Dude, I should have just made you wait till fucking Christmas and just got and dropped it off.
Oh, that would have been dope.
With a Santa Claus suit. Just fucking.
Fucking straight from Japan.
I know, dude. That would've... Damn, I should have done that shit.
That would have been funny.
Fuck. I should have just waited till fucking Saturday.
Imagine the wheels ship tomorrow.
That for sure, I'm not lying to you. They told me. Yeah. Plus, we still owe
I know.
them. So they won't ship them.
That's true.
Yeah. So, I mean, everything that's been paid for is already here. You got the exhaust besides that piece, but.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take the exhaust home now. So I can have it all
Oh.
together. It's fucking dope. I'm excited now.
Did you post it?
No, not yet.
Alright, well, You can find the Cowboys game now. Should you show everybody your Christmas present?
Yeah.
You did? What did they say?
Okay?
He said it was
Okay.
his.
Let's go to the church. It's right here.
What's up, Moose? Give Daddy a hug.
Okay.
Give Daddy a kiss.
How's your car?
No. Too much?
What time they're gonna pay? They're paying right now?
What's up? How are you?
Already? Oh no. Easy.
What'd you think of Batman's Christmas present?
And then just
Jealous.
Huh?
whatever.
You're jealous? Shit, I'm jealous too, dude. I've been that shit's been sitting here for 2 weeks.
Okay.
The whole thing all at once.
Yeah. Could be you, but you play too much.
Mine be better than that. Way better.
Well, since everybody saw the Christmas present. Oh shit, I forgot my shoulder pop over here, bro.
Do you want to try and get the fence done?
Huh?
You want to try and get the fence
Huh?
done?
Unless we just go drop that off first. Now we don't have to rush.
We all going or?
Yeah, I guess. Well, that's gonna wrap up Batman's Christmas present video, and we're gonna start another video because we got a parade going on. So, that being said, stay tuned. Watch the next video.